Hi, I'm Myléne Hillam. Today I've got a quick video for you on how to make your resin crafting dollars stretch just that little bit further. You can go through a lot of disposable mixing cups when you're casting resin, but you can clean them for reuse. Just stand the stir stick upright in the cup when you've finished pouring. If you're using silicone cups, once the resin's cured, just give the stir stick a wiggle and a tug, and most of the cured resin will easily come away from the walls of the cup. Any cured bits of resin that have been left behind on the walls can easily be removed by dabbing them with a piece of sticky tape. Now the silicone cup is completely clean and ready for your next batch of resin. But what if you've used plastic cups to mix your resin in? Well, as long as they're made of polypropylene or polyethylene, you can do exactly the same thing. Just remove the stir sticks and the cured resin shell from the cups. Flick off any drips and dribbles from the outside of the cup. And then use tape to remove any bits stuck on the inside walls. And one final thing to do is to wipe out the cup thoroughly with acetone to remove any unmixed resin from the corners in the bottom of the cup. Give the walls a good clean too. And then your cup is ready for reuse. If you found this tip helpful, then please give this video the thumbs up. And if you'd like more tips and tricks like this one, then please subscribe. Thanks for watching.